Okay, welcome to our next box break of the 2012 Dynasty Select Series 2. We'll start opening the packets. First pack, we've got a JT parallel card. Next pack, of course we're looking for 12 to 13 hits per box. Mitchell Pearce parallel card. And we're still looking for our one in a case insert, the signature redemption. Still haven't hit that one yet, so that could pop up at any time. Bill Tupou parallel card. And also looking for our two in a case black league leaders cards. We haven't seen those yet. Next pack. And we've hit our one per box top prospects, Sam McKendry from Penrith. Wild looking signature, and we're looking for a low number in that. It's not that low, but number 90 in that one. So that's our one per box top prospects insert. They're quite a nice looking signature. And we've got a Jeremy Smith in the parallel. And also still searching for a few of those gold cards. We've hit a couple already. Nathan Pete's parallel card. Rabbitohs. Next pack. Now we've hit our Triple Centurions mirror card. And it's an oldie but a goodie, Jeff Gerard. Penrith Panthers uniform there. The Triple Centurions mirror card, follow up from Series 1. One of those per box. Dean Young from the Dragons, parallel card. Sorry to see him go this year. Retiring fairly early. Or maybe not, he's probably been around for a while. Just seems like yesterday he started playing. But we've got our Team of the Year, Aquila Uwati. These are the two per box insert. And another outside flanker for Newcastle, Damana Tahu in the parallel cards. And Kurt Gidley comment on the top there. Very much a Newcastle packet, that one. Next pack. And Nathan Smith in the Women in League uniform, the pink Panther uniform. Next pack. And we've got our first Indigenous All-Star for this box, Joel Thompson. And Peter Wallace in the parallel card. Nice cards, these parallels. Quite like how they've got a seal put on them, on the front of them. I think the best idea would be to keep those cards with that seal on them. Next pack. We've got a David Williams, the Wolfman, parallel card from Manly. Next pack. Ben Roberts, Parramatta. Next pack. Ben Ross, the Sharkies, parallel. Next pack. And Matt Utai, West Tigers, parallel card. Still searching for our predictor in this box. Looking for a Bulldogs or a Cowboys one possibly. Be nice. Michael Wayman, Dragons parallel. Next pack. It's Johnny Sutton from the Rabbitohs in the parallel card. Still looking for some big hits from this box. Anthony Mitchell, All-Stars. And Sam Perrott, parallel card. We're still searching for the redemption card. Basically hoping for a Darren Lockyer signature. That'd be the one of the most value and also probably the most popular. Ooh, and we've hit a black in the league leaders. These are the 2 per case. Just seems sneaking out from the side there. And it looks like it's going to be the Cowboys. And it's JT, Jonathan Thurston, and Matthew Scott. These are limited to 50, very, very limited. Looking for a low number. It's not a bad low number, number 12. There, of 50. 12.50, so that's a nice card. So that's the one in every 6 boxes insert in that one. The black version of the league leaders. So that's a nice hit. And Aquila Uate in the parallel card. Next pack. Anthony Wintersign and the Cowboys. 2 Cowboys cards in this box. Next pack. Maybe it will be a Cowboys predictor. What do you reckon? We'll have a guess. Corey Patterson, Indigenous All-Stars. Joel Thompson parallel card. Next packet. William Zillman parallel card. Next pack. Cameron Smith on the parallel card. Next pack. Sammy Thaiday. Next pack. We've got a Luke Walsh parallel card. Still looking for our predictor in this box. Next pack. And our second team of the year, Billy the Kid, Billy Slater. They're the 1 in 18 packets insert. So Kyle Stanley for the Dragons. Next pack. Steve Turner for the Bulldogs, parallel card. Next packet. Working our way through this box. Anthony Chockwatmau for Manly. Next pack. And we've hit our predictor. Oh, you never know, funny things have happened. It's South Sydney Rabbitohs predictor. They're up there. For the first time in many years, this predictor will probably be worth a little bit more money. Nice looking predictor actually in the colours, the Rabbitohs colours. Refractor effect, hopefully you can get the look of that there. So nice looking card. Never know, this might be the year. Willie Tonga, parallel card. Last few packs for the box. Chris Sandow for the Parramatta. Next packet. Still looking for our award winner, the 1 per box from this one, and a couple of Indigenous All-Stars. There's Matty Bowen. Having a big season, Matty Bowen for the Cowboys. Matt Schramer. Next pack. Aiden Tolman parallel card. Next pack. Brett White from the Canberra Raiders. Next pack. Last few packs. Still looking for our award winners and a couple of Indigenous or All-Stars. Scotty Prince, Indigenous All-Stars. Brad Tye in the pink uniform for the Pink Panthers. Next packet. Lottie Takiri parallel card. Just a couple of packets to go. Maybe we'll snare the redemption in one of these packets. It'd be nice. Darren Lockyer redemption. Fantastic would be. Ray Thompson. Last couple of packets. What do you reckon? Award winner and redemption card. Well, here's our award winner, Daly Cherry Evans. Nice refractor looking card. This year these award winners aren't limited edition numbered, they're just a general insert. Last year they did them as a limited edition one. Gareth Widdop, parallel card. Last packet. Not likely I'll get a redemption because I've already pulled out a black from this box, but you never know, funny things happened. Andrew Fafita, All-Stars. And Russell Packer, parallel card. So once again, thanks very much for watching our box break. Just a quick summary of what we've cards we've pulled out of the second box break here in the 2012 NRL Dynasty box break. We've pulled out on the odds plus the one extra insert. We've got the 6 All-Stars here. Andrew Fafita, Corey Patterson, Matthew Bowen, Scott Prince, Anthony Mitchell, and Joel Thompson. Then we've also pulled out the 2 teams of the year. You've got Billy Slater and Aquila Uati. Our 1 per box hits were the Daly Cherry Evans award winner. And we've got the Jeff Gerard mirror card. And it was a South Sydney predictor that we pulled out of this box. Our top prospect signature is Sam McKendry from Penrith, numbered number 90. And the big hit for this box was a Black League leader, and these are your 2 per case ones. And this is Jonathan Thurston and Matt Scott, the Cowboys version. These are limited edition to 50, and this is quite a low number, number 12 of 50. So that's a nice hit. Once again, thanks to Gold Coast Trading Cards for providing us with this case to crack open for you guys, so you can see these cards live on YouTube. Now all these cards will be for sale. This Black League leader obviously will be for sale through Gold Coast Trading Cards.